Hi everyone, welcome back. The Customer Satisfaction Survey is used to get feedback from a customer about a provided service. This survey helps you determine a customer's point of view and retain that customer by providing an appropriate service. In this video, I will show you how to customize the satisfaction survey settings and how the Customer Satisfaction Report helps you track and analyze customer satisfaction. First, let's look at how to enable the Customer Satisfaction Survey. To enable it, open the Satisfaction Survey settings in the Admin module and enable the Customer Satisfaction Survey option, which allows you to send survey links to customers via email. You can customize the customer portal rating page using this module. Next, let's see how to change the survey question. The text provided here will appear in the customer portal as a survey question for gathering suggestions from the customer about the service. You can customize the question text as required. You can also provide an acknowledge message here, which will appear in the customer portal when a customer completes the survey. Next, let's look at different ways of sending a survey email. There are two ways to send survey emails in which the rating section will be appended. Every reply includes a rating section in emails for every reply by an agent. It involves status changes with or without a reply. Specific status change includes a rating section in emails only for a specific status. Finally, let's see about the rating scales. You can configure the rating scales in 3 different forms: a 2-point scale, a 3-point scale, or a 5-point scale. For each point, you can customize the content. Rating scale text can be changed by clicking on the text and entering new text. After updating the required fields, click the Update button at the bottom to update the changes. When the feedback is provided by the customer, it will appear in the Ticket Details page. Next, we will look into the Customer Satisfaction Report. The Customer Satisfaction Report helps you track and analyze customer satisfaction for a service over time. You can see the CSAT score, survey response rates, and customer sentiment based on the ratings. Support managers or leads can quickly add a note or tag for further review by an agent without opening a ticket. If you would like to watch a detailed video on dashboards and reports, follow the link provided in the card above and in the description below. And that's it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.